Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into Bitcoin SOLARIS, ticker symbol $BTCS, a crypto coin that connects to both the Bitcoin and Solana blockchains and is available on LBank and RAYDIUM. This guide will walk you through the steps on how to buy $BTCS. Oh, what exactly is Bitcoin SOLARIS? At its core, $BTCS aims to serve a specific purpose, offering unique utility. It might feature specific technological innovations, and it's important to understand its relationship to both Bitcoin and, more crucially, the Solana blockchains. Let's break down the Solana integration and clarify how $BTCS differs from Bitcoin itself. To better grasp this, let's explore the Solana blockchain, known for its speed, low transaction fees, and scalability. $BTCS leverages these features by operating on Solana. Solana's consensus mechanism utilizes proof of history combined with proof of stake, ensuring efficient and secure transactions. Where can you actually purchase $BTCS? You'll primarily find it on exchanges like LBank and RAYDIUM. Be aware that availability can change, so always double-check current listings. Start with LBank. First, you'll need to create an account on LBank, followed by completing their KYC verification process. Next, deposit funds, with USDT often being a recommended option. Then, navigate to the $BTCS/USDT trading pair and place a buy order, choosing between a market or limit order. Finally, confirm the transaction. Remember to be mindful of any associated fees during the process. If you prefer using RAYDIUM, begin by setting up a Solana wallet such as Phantom or Solflare. Fund your wallet with SOL, the native Solana token. Then, connect your wallet to RAYDIUM.io, find the $BTCS trading pair, carefully verifying the contract address, and swap your SOL for $BTCS. Finally, confirm the transaction, and pay attention to slippage tolerance settings to ensure your trade executes as expected. Before you jump in, there are some crucial considerations. It's very important to understand that $BTCS, like all cryptocurrencies, is a volatile investment. Always do your own research, or DYOR, before investing any money. Prioritize your wallet security with strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and be extremely cautious of scams, always verifying contract addresses and avoiding phishing attempts. Speaking of contract addresses, here's the official $BTCS contract address on the Solana blockchain. Double-check this address on a Solana blockchain explorer, like Sols can, to ensure you're interacting with a genuine token and not a fraudulent imposter. In summary, purchasing $BTCS involves understanding its connection to Bitcoin and Solana, choosing between platforms like LBank and RAYDIUM, and following specific steps for each. Always remember the importance of due diligence, risk management, and verifying contract addresses. Consider visiting the official $BTCS website or community channels for more info. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.